Hello guys, another AdRoast episode. Today we're going to talk about Tony. You all have seen some of his videos. Basically, he's reacting to a really viral video. Most of the times it's related with LGBTQ stuff and all of that. He has some really funny reactions, and then he's actually doing the reaction, and then he's promoting his neon sign business. Let's face it, 97% of the ads are gonna fail just because they're not gonna be good enough to start giving you sales, leads, or whatever you need. What if I told you that I have an app which is actually grading everything before you ever test it? You are increasing the chances of actually finding a winner. You are improving it, and you are even enhancing it in a way that you can create better creatives in a very cost-efficient way. This is an app that I have built. I have calibrated with a lot of my friends, e-commerce store owners, agency owners, other freelancers, running multiple ad accounts, collectively more than 25 billion. This is what I calculated all of these years, scraping the ad library and finding creatives that they have actually worked for businesses so that we can be able to do good grading, which is not gonna fail, and grading that's gonna be really constructive criticism, and maybe a roast if your ad is completely bad. The name of the app is AdRoast.ai. You can click the link below so that you can go and you can check it. I'm gonna let you see some of his videos for the next minute so that you can understand.
Anyways, every industrial park needs smart, safe, and clear signage. We provide full project support.
They're like, are you trans? I'm like, well, do you think I'm trans?
Yes. If you need an LED neon sign, our monthly capacity is 10,000 sets. Each set comes with 1 year's guarantee. Check out the link in our bio and use the discount code to get your custom neon sign.
You don't have biceps, but wait.
Anyway, I'm Kevin. Upgrade the space with professional neon signs. Our signs are US certified and include a 2 years warranty.
Anyways, if you want a cool and attractive sign, try this sign. We offer factory price, no MOQ, price dependent on the size you need. For professional franchise signs, come to LC Sign.
My husband's snuggling with my mother.
What
Is
going?
on.
If you own a business, your sign matters more than you think. We create custom LED signs for businesses.
Gay.
Guy.
Guy. Gay.
Gas.
Gas. Gay.
Pay.
Pay. Gay.
Gup.
Gap. Gay.
Ray.
Ray. Gay.
Gay.
Gay. Anyways, reliable neon signs for any space.
Let's start analyzing why this was a genius way of doing it. First of all, we're talking about viral videos. He's not taking just any video, he's taking viral videos. Videos that they have become viral because they are triggering people, they are triggering comments, whatever that may be. So he's doing one of the things that we told in this episode. We said that comments are really important because they're making the post look more viral and all of that. So he's doing already that. The second thing is that he's using something which is viral, so it's proven that this is gonna take clicks, views, and all of that because it's basically a repost of something viral and then him. So initially the hook is something which is already viral, so we know that this post is actually going to work. The third thing is that his reaction also, which is also nice, and then he's promoting his business. This is a very good content for organic, so that you can keep posting like this and get organic reactions. This is what I'm gonna try to do also with AdRoast, by the way. I'm gonna try to post not videos like this, but I'm gonna try to post all the time things that we can do with AdRoast in specific businesses, and I'm gonna do it with a special twist that is gonna make people comment and make people stay on the videos. So you're gonna see this on the social media. He's having the pattern interruption, he's having good hooks which are famous, he's having the comment section. What else though we see over here? We see that we are having a person that we do appreciate his advertising. This is very important. If you manage to do campaigns or ads that people are gonna like to see, then you're golden. then you have found the biggest treasure in the world, because that means that you have a face which is likable from people, and then what is happening is that people also like your ad and they appreciate that you did a funny joke there here and there. So they are not biased, or they are not against your ad, or they are not saying, oh, he's trying to sell me something. They are having good heart against your ad, and that means that more people are gonna convert. The only downside that I see over here is that he never talks about quality of his products, and I think that in all of his videos, he should have done also videos showing the quality and all of that. He's talking about guarantee for 1 year and all of that, but we don't see quality. And a lot of times people might think that, okay, this guy is good at marketing, but is the product good? So this is the only thing that I think that he didn't use properly, and he didn't do enough videos of educating people more about the products, but only talking about the different designs and all of that. At least this is what I have seen. And I have seen a lot of videos of Tony. Even if Tony, I don't know if Tony has a lot of money or whatever, but even if you don't have a lot of money, becoming viral like this is gonna make you a lot of money. And this is something that it doesn't require a lot of money from your end in order to happen, just to know how the algorithm is working and have clever ideas. And here in this video, you can see how one guy from Romania made a video which became viral, and then everybody actually copied. I will see you on the next video.